Hey, what's going on there, YouTube? In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to keep your computer awake at all times, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you this with this yet simple program, but yet very important, okay? This one is called PowerToys, and this one is developed by Microsoft, alright? So, I'm going to go ahead and show you the link right here. Kind of scroll down a little bit. There you go. So you should be able to see that link right there where it says PowerToys setup, and it's going to be an exe file. So just go ahead and click that right there. You should be able to have that at no time. Okay, the program is very light. It's like 2 or 3 megs or so, something like that. So I've already downloaded the software. It's right here. So let's go ahead and install it. All right, just go ahead and double click on this right here. Installation is just going to ask you for a couple of next, and then install, and you should be able to be all set. All right, install. And I forgot to mention, I'm doing this on Windows 10 right now, but you definitely go ahead and do this on Windows 10 or Windows 11 if you already have that. Okay, so right after that, just go ahead and click finish right after the installation is done. And then to be able to go ahead and execute the program, come over here to your bottom right hand corner, and then just go ahead and execute the program there. Okay. Alright, as you can see, we have the program right here. Now, if for whatever reason it says right here restart as administrator, but it has red letters, it's because this is off right here. Okay, so right after you go ahead and toggle that on, to the program will go ahead and restart, and you should be all set. Okay, now right here you can go ahead and choose your mode, dark mode, light, or Windows default. Okay, now let's go ahead and come over here to the upper left hand corner right here where it says awake. It has a couple more add-ons, but I'm not gonna go ahead and get into those right now. Okay, so just go ahead and concentrate right there where it says awake, and then as you can see right there, it's really straightforward. Keep screen on, just go ahead and leave the check mark on right there. It has 3 modes right here. This one is off, passive. This one right here will go ahead and work according to your current power plan. Okay, it'll go ahead and work with. This one right here, keep awake indefinitely. If you just want to go ahead and keep your screen on forever, then that's the one that you have to pick. All right, and then if you want to go ahead and keep awake temporarily, you can go ahead and modify that to an hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or even more. Okay, so that's the one that you can go ahead and keep awake temporarily. Okay, but if you just want to go ahead and work with your computer awake all the time, then this is the one that you want to go ahead and concentrate on. All right, that's the one right there. Then after that, just go ahead and click exit out of this right there. That's it. You will never have to worry about your computer going to sleep again. All right, that option right there will go ahead and keep your computer awake at all times. All right, so that's gonna do it right here for this video. Thank you very much for checking out my channel. Thanks for all my subscribers out there. They're always commenting and showing me love right there in the comments. Thank you guys. So that's gonna do it right here. Please like and subscribe. See you here shortly. Okay, take care.